Making ginger beef. Here's what I'm going to marinate it. I put in 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of mirin, so I think it was 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, a teaspoon of artificial sweetener, and I'm going to mix all this together and marinate the beef in this. Okay, I'm marinating the beef in the soy sauce, mirin, cornstarch, and artificial sweetener. And here's the recipe. It's ginger beef. I'm modifying it because ginger gives me diarrhea. So I'm going to use 4 slices of ginger root instead of 8. And okay, so I'm marinating it, setting aside. The next step, heat the wok and add the oil. Add ginger slices, fry about a ½ minute on high heat. Add beef, cook about 1 minute or until done. Push meat up the side of the wok. So let me go ahead and get the soup stock, sugar, and salt ready so I can throw that in. I'm heating up the pan. I'm going to put some olive oil in here and warm it up, and then I'll get ready to stir fry. Okay, I'm heating up this is like my version of the wok, huge cast iron pan. Okay. The recipe actually called for 8 ginger slices, but I'm going to use 4 of them because ginger gives me diarrhea. So I might cut this one in half. Yeah, there we go. So let's go ahead and fry this, and then I'll add the beef. Okie dokie. Let's just go ahead and cook this until it's done. Lower the heat a bit. I have a feeling that artificial sweetener is the reason it's burning so quickly. If I used real sugar, it probably wouldn't be doing this. So let me just keep cooking this until it's done. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to eat the ginger when it's done. That way I'll minimize my chances of getting diarrhea. Just ginger to get in the sauce, but I'm not going to eat the ginger. Let's see how this works. I'm constantly fighting diarrhea, you know. I just happen to like foods that give me diarrhea. That's my problem. I love garlic, I love onions, I love ginger, you know, I love nuts and seeds, and fruit. So I have to, you know, really watch my diet to make sure that I don't go overboard with this stuff. Okay, it looks like we're just about done with this step. Okay, we push the meat up the side of the wok. I guess you could call it a wok. Okay, let's go ahead and add the soup stock. Then sugar and salt. I decided to skip on the salt because I can always add that later. So now we're going to go ahead and mix it all together. This cornstarch and yeah, okay. And then I can try it out. I'm going to eat it without the ginger, like I said. The ginger just, the recipe called for 8 slices of ginger. I'm just using 4 because I do not want to have diarrhea problems. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty much done. Turn the heat off here. Yeah. Go ahead and try it now. Really good. It's really good. I'm not going to eat the ginger because I don't want to get diarrhea. But I can taste the ginger flavor in the sauce. It's really good. Yep.